Okay, hopefully that's better. So, I was asked when we were working on the getting the kits together for the recipe albums, I was asked if there was any way that I could make one that's somewhat masculine. That was challenging actually for me because I had my mindset so much in fall. And when I was looking at some of the products that I had, I really didn't know how I was going to be able to pull this off in a masculine manner, but still keep it fun and exciting. So I was able to come up with it. Obviously, it took some thought and process, but I wanted to share it with you because of some of the different things I did in here versus some of the things that we had done with the fall album. Maybe you'll get some different ideas and ways that you can build yours. So again, I went with the beads on the end, but this time I had tied the string and then tucked it inside the beads so there's no loose dangles or nothing like that on the end, just the beads. Okay, so menu. I thought this was really cute. I'll just kind of flip through it for you. Okay. I'll just tie this. I'll come back to it in a minute so we can go on the inside. I'm really excited to show you some of the techniques on the inside. Some of you may have ended up with a napkin in your kit. At the very end, I threw in some extras. And if you have a napkin that looks like this, in the next couple days, I'm going to post something to show you how I intended for you to use that. Just a little quick tutorial. I'll probably put it in our group page, and it teaches you how to utilize the napkin that I gave you. So again, we're going into, this is more of a masculine kind of album. That's what I was requested. Just an envelope. And I think it's the next page. I had a lot of fun with this, the challenges of it. I took some fabric and just put it over top of a little wooden mason jar. And then this is like a belly band. Just some standard pockets. Little cow. That's a CD holder actually. And it's got this like a little booklet here, just for some writing. Little envelope. These little safety pin or paper clips come off, and then there's a whole bunch of pages in here, but this could actually act as a tuck spot as well. You know, you could tuck in some recipes up in there. Another little pocket. Did some more fabric on tags. So this is the edition that you guys haven't seen yet. We did the envelope fold out on the front, but then I wanted to add something a little bit more detailed on the inside, and I was just playing with the envelopes again. So this one goes back and forth like this, and then like this. Okay, and then this is all open if somebody wanted to put something there. Could be a conversion chart, could be another envelope, but it just kind of goes back and forth. And that's a great way to get some, you know, unique and new ideas while you're building your album if you're still working on it. And then, okay, we came back this way. And then when you go this way, you've got one here, a little place to write, and then you've got a pocket here. And you will see, so this is a brown paper bag, and you will see that napkin that I just showed you in the front of the book again. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to do that technique. Pretty neat, right? That's a napkin. So we'll take this big paper clip, and it holds everything together nice and neat. This is a really nice envelope. It's like, feels almost like fabric. I really like it. So I'm hoping I've achieved that masculine. I'm pretty sure I did pretty good with that. This was fun. little family recipe, the family secret. I had fun with that. And then this I also enjoyed doing. This is tea-dyed transfer paper. Kind of like using a wax paper, like tea dyeing wax paper. So that was fun, and I just turned it into an envelope, stitched the sides, and I thought that was a great touch to have something like a wax paper in the book. This is a booklet, again. It's got like recipe cards in it almost, right? Like cue cards. And that just tucks down inside. And then this is also a pocket, another paper bag. More of your angles, simple to tuck things in and out of. This one here, I did this in layers, so a card can go here, a card can go here, and I even have it set up that a card can go right in here. So you would have three. You can have three different spots that you put recipes on that page. And then you can tuck one in here. And then you have the big pockets as we had planned in the first place, and that is that. So that's my masculine version, if you will, and I had so much fun putting it together. It was definitely challenging for me to try to get my mind out of the fall sense and bring it into a more masculine situation, and I think it worked out great. So I figured I would share that with you, and stay tuned in the group for the technique that I used with the napkins. If you ended up with any of the napkins in your kit, you're going to want to see that and see how that turns out. And there you have it. Figured I'd share. I hope you got some ideas from that.